Right, today we're talking about two-way switches and how it works, how to wire it up, and that's about it, yeah. So you really need to know how it works and how to wire it up, I guess. So first, we're going to start with a live like that. We have got a switch and then another switch. This. Duplicate. And so those are the toggles of the switch. We go switch 1, switch 2. Switch 1, switch 2, same for same. And then from we got another cable out of the comment to the, but, yeah, from the, we got neutral. In between the two switches, the two terminals, not the commons, are connected. So that is that goes to that. Cool. So in a real life scenario, these guys, which is just like a normal light switch like that, is in the back of it. Same to same. So go in with the live active. The two travel eyes interconnecting between them. And then from here, that's the common, goes to the light. Then from there to neutral. We're not using these because they're just the kind of comp like a terminal used to join cables together. They don't do anything with the switch. Okay? So that's how it's wired in the field. And now let's see what happens with the switches. Oh, right now the power is not flying to the light. Like that. It's off. Stops there. Okay, let's switch it. Let's toggle one. Toggle downstairs, switch 1. Coops. I need to go upstairs to see. I need the light to see the stairs. So now the power is going through. And we have power to the light. Now I've reached upstairs. And I want to turn the light off. I don't need to go back downstairs because there's a second switch. And that's it. Lights off. Power stops. Power stops there. So whichever switch you toggle, up or down, doesn't matter. Whatever the light is doing, it will do the opposite. So yeah, that's how it is. That's two-way switching. Next, we'll talk about three-way.
Yeah, we'll talk
about three-way. So we'll add another, So we'll add another switch to this. A question. An intermediate switch. I'll talk back and